He goes shoveled away. He can hit it anywhere he wants. Here, there's Ralph. Paul backing up. There we are. Oh, that's not. It's an outside. Katie, average of 25. The economy rivers. Lovely shot. Oh,
yeah, it's just the momentum back.
It's been good. That's a comfortable catch.
And he's gone now too. Bowled him. He had a big swing at that and completely missed it. So the skipper's innings comes to an end. You can sense the frustration combined with the urgency. Something a bit different, doesn't quite work. Just a single. Oh, that's out of the screws. That's right out of the middle. It's an absolute ripper. Halfway up the bank.
Catch it!
Oh, wow, wait. I don't think he timed that. It's got him into the onside again. Flatter this time and one bounce. That nearly went for six as well. Oh, it's another shocker. You got to hit that for six. Surely you hit that. No, just for four. Wow.
It's in the air, finds the gap. And this quick outfield, that will run away for four. Scoop this. Oh, beautifully bowled. 130 for 3, New Zealand. Oh, where's that gone? 18 overs bowled, a pretty good over. 137 for 4. Knocked him over straight through. That is excellent stuff from Pakistan. Harris Ralph is a... Oh, that's close, really close, and out.
Flat line, clear gap on the left. Ball taking Sean, pitching upside off, impact in line with...
3 reds, good decision. Finger goes up again, and Michael Bracewell's innings was... There we go, swung away by Chapman. That will run away for 4. Just lost his line and touched the... Well, it's in the air. It's in the air. Might be in the gap. No, it's not. Mohammed Wazim comes around, takes the catch. Quality piece of bowling. 3 wickets in the over by Harris. Knocked him over. It's an inside edge, and Mohammed Wazim has got what he deserves. He picks up his second, and it's all Pakistan here. Final delivery. Quality Yorker. Can't pick it up. New Zealand scramble through for a single.
To Thursday to take on the Scorchers, wherever that may be, and the loser is done.
Lovely shot. Wow.
Oh, cutting, that's the to the night. That's Ben McDermott big. It's way back, one big.
Oh. Oh.
And that has been...
Come on.
Oh, he takes it on. Sire.
Up and over. He reached for that.
Like this, 6. Oh.
Sense that he might go again, and he's matched 6 for it as well.
spoken about pace off the ball. Oh, gone.